Well, we got our primary equation all in terms of one variable. Now it's time to take the derivative, but of course the first thing we need to do is rewrite this thing so we can take the derivative. Let's not forget some of those zeros. Those could be peanuts, I guess. Alright, let's now take the derivative. So I'm going to say p prime. So the derivative of 2w is 2, bringing that negative out front. Now we have w raised to the negative 2. And we're going to go ahead and set p equal to 0 and solve for w. And I'm going to write w down here in the denominator. Alright, so bringing this over to the left, alright, let's bring that w squared up towards the top. There's kind of a step that I've been skipping on these optimization problems, and I'm hoping that you work some of the previous stuff when we started initially finding mins and maxes and so forth. Right, so we multiplied a half times both sides here, and that was doing a number line and testing, testing our critical numbers. If you had a critical number here, testing to the left and to the right, and seeing if your graph, increased, decreased, and all that. Well, I'm leaving that part off and hoping that you guys, know how to do that. I just want to kind of focus on the process of these application problems. Well, I guess that's application problem there too, but more, I don't know, specific, more real world kind of stuff maybe. All right, we got to take the square root of 5,000, and hopefully you know how to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and break this down. This ends up becoming 50 times the square root of 2 is going to be our width. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to do a little approximation here. This actually approximates to 70. I'll just round it to one decimal place. 70.7, and of course this is going to be meters. Okay. Well, we found our W. Now what we're going to need to do is go back, find that relationship between W and L, and find what L is. And L was equal to 10,000 over W. So let's actually try to remember that, right? So L is equal to 10,000 over W, and W is going to be 50 times the square root of 2. Okay, and we can break this down and simplify this, because 50 goes into 10,000 and so forth, but I'm just going to leave it like that. The whole idea here is to find out what L and what W, right, what those values are. But so we found L and W, and if you would like, you can always get those numbers and take them and plug them in to actually find what is this actual parameter. And of course, I always suggest that you graph this and take a look at those numbers. And of course, the what you want to graph is that guy right there, right? All right. Well, I'm going to leave this secretive problem to you to figure out why the hog left the pig pen, because we were throwing peanuts at him, right? All right, we're going to move on now to another problem that's probably going to be similar to this.